Hi, what's up? It's summertime, it's really hot outside, and I've been doing dress alterations. Everyone wants to wear a nice dress, look really great, but unfortunately, sometimes when you buy dresses online and in store as well too, the fitting isn't always the best. That's totally understandable, you know, that's life, it happens. I'm gonna go over 2 really common dress fitment issues, and I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. Okay, first up, I have a halter dress here. This is a pretty common style, goes around your neck, ties it. Sometimes when you have a halter dress, the models or the mannequins or the blocks that they use might not be exactly how your body is. And there is an issue here that sometimes happens is that there's a bunch of bunching, or it might be a little bit loose or too tight around the neck and where the tie for the halter connects, this section right here. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to do if you're seeing this problem. So I've already pinned this on because the person who tried this on already pinned it on their neck. And then you wanna just pin it to where that the garment actually fits properly. And then when you pin it and you see how it fits, you're gonna detach the 2 pieces of material. So you're just gonna you're gonna detach the strap and you're gonna detach the dress. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so I can show you guys. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. You can see that the strap for your neck and the halter is there's a lot of slack here. It's not exactly tied on and stitched on properly, but that's totally fine. We're gonna grab our trusty razor blade. If you don't have these, get a seam ripper and go really, really slowly and undo these 2 materials. This is why I like using the razor blade because it just kind of falls off like butter. There we go. Now we can set this aside, the strap aside here, and you can kind of see where the issue is with the fitment of this garment. It's not even straight. It's like not straight at all. So that's why we have the fitment issue about it. You can kind of see that it's a little bit askew. That's totally fine. Now that you have this dress on, we can just cut off the excess material and then re-stitch it on. And voila, that took me all of like 5-7 minutes. You can see here, the neckline is a lot smoother and softer. One thing I did notice about this dress in particular is that the pattern was kind of not cut straight. So the stripes are a little bit askew, but there's nothing we can do about that. We fixed the neck and it is meeting really nice and soft, and there's no puckering or bunching on the neck. That's all we can really, that's all we can really do. Now that this dress is done, this is a pretty common one. Let's work on another common issue that I see in a lot of dresses that I have to fix. Dress number 2. This is probably more common than the previous one. Picture this, right? You see a dress online, looks great, color's great, fits awesome on the mannequin, on the model. And when you get it, it is extremely loose and baggy. So you can see there's a lot of like, this is flowing, very ill-fitting to the body. But that's completely fine. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be making sure that this dress fits nice, true to the body. And how we're doing that is there are 2 side seams on the dress. One here, which I've already pinned, and then another one on the side here. We're going to be taking in material from both sides of the dress, so that'll fit you a little bit more, a little bit closer to your body. Ta-da! We're done. Here it is. The sides are taken in. You can see they're very close and tight to the body, even on this side too, close and tight to the body. That's it. Hope you guys have a good summer, and whatever parties and stuff you do in the summer, you do it safe and you do it well. And if you have dresses, hopefully these tips will help you so that your dresses fit a lot better. That's it. Okay, bye.